Hi Pandora sisters, so we have today another unboxing and this one should include some nice goodies. So let's open this together. And I believe this will be just a couple of items that I got from the autumn collection, plus the gift with purchase, which many of you would have got, so hold your Pandora 20 pieces in. And I also ordered a couple of cleaning kits because I need to do a lot of cleaning on my pieces of jewellery, so that will be a future project that I'll share with you. But first, let's see what we have. Packaging. Ooh. And an extra goodie. Wow. That's cool, isn't it? I was not expecting this. Wow, so this is from the 2018 Chinese New Year charm, and as part of the culture for Chinese people, they have these envelopes which on their special holidays they get distributed. Family and friends put a gift inside and then they get given back to the family member. So that is really cool. I wasn't expecting that. So these often come with the Chinese New Year charm. So this was for the 2018 one for the year of the dog. And it has a little bit of information written on the back and the embossed design. So that's the old logo now there. So that's really nice. Okay, we also have an old catalogue here too. That's cool. What year is this? Some of my favourite pieces in. Daisy Daisy. That's always really helpful to have these because then we can get our prices for insurance companies and things like that. So as I said, we have 2 cleaning kits. And I bought 2 because last time I planned to do a video on how to clean Pandora jewellery. I thought, well, I'm just going to use the cleaning kit first to see how it works, before videoing it or doing anything. And I got so carried away and I used it all up, I used most of it up and then the rest of it kind of was a bit of a icky colour. So I'll just show you what's inside these kits if you've not used one yet. They are really, really good and I completely recommend you buying them. They're not very much money, $15 I think, or $10. £15 in the UK, and they include this liquid, which it's a special cleaning liquid. You can use it on most items, unlike previous cleaning liquids. Let's see inside. It's a blue colour and it actually smells really nice. Open it without spilling it. I can't because it's sealed, so you'll have to look at that in a future video, how to clean your Pandora. And you get a little buffer cloth in there too, and a tiny brush, not a toothbrush unless it's for hamsters, but it's for your Pandora, so please don't use it on anything else. So look forward to that video one day soon. So now we have the gift with purchase for Pandora 20, and let me just take out the other box of charms as well. So I'll show you this first. So it's in its own box. I hope most of you are able to get this if you've been collecting the Pandora 20 charms. This is a really nice special thing them safe. So we see the 20 crown logo on top and Pandora on the front, and it's quite secure. And again we have a little crown motif and then indents for each one for the month. So I'll put the ones that I have so far. So we have the strawberry, and let me know in the comments how many you have, if you're missing any. Maybe some of the viewers can help other ones out if you're looking for a piece still. I think the first 3 ones were quite hard to get. The time was a bit, well, I think that was when they were doing a midnight time, and it was harder for some. And now they've been doing it more at 10 o'clock in the morning. So there we go. So we have the pig there turning round. You can see him. He does not want to stay flat. And so far we have 2 two-tone pieces. Okay, so 4 slots left to fill. I've got my clips coming, and I was happy that I managed to get 2 clips, so I'll be missing a hole. I'll have to put them together in the same hole for that. So that is really lovely. Special Pandora 20 box. So these are the pieces that I got from the autumn collection. So I didn't get many. I knew that I would be wanting to get some, well, quite a lot of the Star Wars collection and some of the Disney pieces in the winter collection later on as well. So I was quite good and restricted myself to just 2. First is the Llama, which I don't know what it is about llamas, but they're very cute and they seem to be very, very fashionable right now. You can see this little fellow. Little bell on his neck. Detailing is amazing. See on his face, the texture around his fur as well. His little feet. And see the hallmark underneath as well. So he is really, really cute. I did wonder when I saw this, first of all, if the bell would move, but it doesn't. It is fixed to the design. So I'll pop him down. And the other item now, it's actually called baby boobs, this item, but I'm viewing it as a trainer or a sneaker if you're American. And this year I've started running, so it's extra special for me. And I also love that it is 2-tone. You see the lace. Nice amount of gold there. The little stitch detailing on the shoe. Smooth underneath. And on one side has a heart. And then the bail's just a simple bail. No extra stones or anything. So I'm pleased about that. Sometimes I kind of think we don't need the extra stone on the bail and it will just put the price up. So this is nice because we just have the pretty gold and the detailed silver. So this for me is to symbolize my newfound hobby of running, and hopefully one day I'll be able to compete in a marathon. That's my goal. So this will help me spur on towards my goal. So that is what we have for this unboxing. So thank you for joining me, and come along next time and see what other goodies we have. So have a good day. Goodbye. Oops, I forgot to show you my bracelet that I'm wearing today. So this one is one of the old leathers with a gold clasp. So it's a solid gold clasp and black leather, and I've just got a couple of charms on it. They're all very special ones. You'll see at the middle, the most special charm that I have, because it is so limited edition. The light tower, the gold version with the little diamonds, and new acquisition, the starlight charm, Celtic circles, and then balancing it out on either side, have the hearts and the star pendants, and they are also with diamonds. So that's what I'm wearing today. So let me know if you have any questions on the unboxing, or any other questions that you want me to try and help you answer. Okay, alright, bye!